Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Style Port Hyderabad. First of all, I would like to thank you so much for showering so much of love to Style Port. I love you all and keep loving us, keep shopping with us. Today in this video, I am going to tell you that we are having a new store launch which is at Madhapur. We already situated at Amirpet and Sarat City Mall. But this time we are opening at Madhapur, which is exactly at pillar number 1758. You can get down at Durgam Cheru station to get right here. So in today's video, I am going to tell you what inaugural offers we are offering you. And the bonus is, it is not available only here at Madhapur branch, but it is also available at Amirpet and Sarat City Mall branch as well. So let me tell you what are the prices. This is our 99 section, which is loved by all of you. We keep adding stuff to it every single day stock keep changing. So we have got these pieces. These are all branded. As you can see, you are going to get such pieces only for ₹100. Very nice pieces we have got here. All the sizes are available in this. You are going to get all these pieces only for ₹100, guys. Very good quality. You can also wear outside for ₹100. It's totally worth it, guys. If you want to check out more collection and buy more collection, please visit our store. You'll get this all priced at 99. Guys, these are the knee-length dresses which are again available in small, medium, large, XL and double XL sizes. I'll show you this few pieces from here. We have colors available in this. It's a stretchable one here, and you are going to get this particular piece only for ₹400, guys. Such a reasonable price. We are selling at the most reasonable prices. All these are available only for ₹400 during the sale time. We don't have online services for this. All the online services will be closed during the sale time. Amazing collection, guys. Guys, this is another piece, very good quality. It's a high-low dress, and you also get a neck piece in this, and you are getting this piece only for ₹400, guys. Many colors available. Hello guys, and this is again a knee-length dress from a top brand. As you can see the tag here. And you are going to get this dress only for ₹400, guys. If you want to grab this piece, please make your way, save your date during the sale time. Once sold, you won't get the same piece again. There will be something new waiting for you. All the top brands, guys. Each and every piece is so good. The fabric, the quality. You are totally going to love this. Guys, we also have wide variety of shrugs here. These are all priced at ₹350 only. I'll quickly show you few pieces here. Please don't take the screenshot and come. It is on first come first serve basis. These are all available at such a reasonable price, guys. Each and every piece is different from one another. And if you want to check out our more collection, we keep updating on our Instagram page. Please follow us there. We have stock. We restock every day. Every day we keep adding up our stock. So you'll get massive variety. We also have a wide collection of jumpsuits. I'll show you a few jumpsuits here. This is from brand Forever 21. It has got this nice belt, nice floral print. Only for ₹550, guys. This is another jumpsuit, only for $550. We have short and long, both the jumpsuits. This is from brand Cover Story, and you will get this piece only for ₹550. So guys, these are all top brands here, which is available at our store. We have non-branded stuff as well. These are all branded, as you can see the tag here. We have non-branded products also, in which you can get few colors. We have colors available in this. These are stretchable tops. We have puff sleeves tops as well. We have colors in this also. We have many different varieties. We also have crop tops. There's a massive variety of crop tops as well. They are very very cute from top brands. These are collection of crop tops, as you can see. Colors are available in this, guys. This is another piece. These are all available in single color. I'll show you few more tops. It's such a nice sleeve, guys. If this is sold out, you won't get another piece here. So taking a screenshot won't be a fruitful one. Please visit the store as soon as possible to grab this amazing collection. Only at Styleport. Available offers are available at all the 3 stores. This is a exclusive section ranging from 500 up till 5,000 rupees. This particular piece is available at our store only for 800 rupees, guys. Colors are available in this. It is a full stretchable fabric. We have also added kaftans to our collection. As you can see, these are the pretty kaftans, long kaftan, totally handwork on them. Available only for 1500, guys. You've already bought this and showed your love. We also have exclusive princess gowns, which has got this kind of a back, only for rupees 3500, guys. Many Christian bride has already bought this from our store and they have loved it. They have saved so much money on their bridal gown. Can you believe this? Only for rupees 3500. Guys, we also have wide variety of shrugs here. These are all priced at rupees 350 only. I'll quickly show you few pieces here. Please don't take the screenshot and come. It is on first come first serve basis. These are all available at such a reasonable price, guys. Each and every piece is different from one another. And if you want to check out our more collection, we keep updating on our Instagram page. Please follow us there. We have stock, we restock every day. Every day we keep adding up our stock, so you'll get massive variety here only at Styleport. We also have a wide variety of shorts here. As you can see, we have nightwear shorts, we have stylish shorts. Can you see? We also have both shorts are starting from 200 to 300 rupees, guys. You will get this stylish leather shorts only for rupees 300. We have many denim shorts as well. This short will which looks like a skirt will cost you only 300 rupees. We have many denim shorts and that will cost you only for rupees 200. We have wide variety. We haven't displayed it here, but we have it in stock. So whenever you visit store, we have forever shorts only for rupees 200 and 300 rupees, guys. So massive collection we have got here. We have also added dry fits this time. As you can see, the label, the brand. This dry fit is costing you only for rupees 500. We have colors in this, mostly black and grey color, and they are all original branded wear. Third collection as well. This you are going to get at rupees 350 only. It's a massive variety. It's mixed sizes here. These are short skirts, these are long skirts. I'm going to show you few pieces. Different variety of skirts is available here. Please guys, don't get the picture and tell me I want this, because it's on first come first serve basis. It might get sold out quickly, and each and every piece is single. Double pieces are not available. There's such a pretty pieces, all of them. I'll show you. So if you want to grab this beautiful pieces, please save the date and visit the store. So what is the bonus in this inaugural offer? We have something amazing for you. During our last sale, we had those white pants for 100 rupees. This time we have gone bit up, but very nice thing for you. You are going to get this particular piece only for rupees 200, guys. This is from brand Zinc London. Very smooth fabric, very nice feel, and it has got this floral print. It has got the zip here. It is from brand Zinc London. As you can see, it has got the lining as well. You can modify this dress into your nightwear, or if you want to wear it outside, you can pair it with a belt and you are good to go. So such an amazing thing you are going to get only for rupees 200 from 1st till 18th of this month at all our branches. There's one more thing for you guys. Another piece from brand Zinc London. You are going to get this piece also for rupees 200 only during this inaugural offer, which is from 1st of 18th of the month. Guys, this piece has this falling sleeves. It also has got the sleeves inside. Can you imagine? You are getting two-piece set only for rupees 200, guys. We also have these stoles at our store. They are small in size, but they are all handmade, handwork. They are on pure fabric, as you can see the work on them, and this is costing you guys, can you imagine, only for 200 rupees. They are totally worth it. I can show you. I'll put it in my neck. This is the length it's coming up to. If you put it on one side, it's coming till here. But they are really nice. You know, if you are not a dupatta person, you can wear this and you are good to go. We have many colors also available in this. This dupatta is only for rupees 100 as it has got light work. So this will cost you only 100 rupees. Such a beautiful white dupatta, and it's costing you only for 200 rupees, guys. We have many variety in this. So if you want to grab these pieces, please visit the store and grab them at such a reasonable price. I know your love for cape. As you can see, these are all 1000 rupees capes available in different colors. As you can see here, this can change the whole look of your dress. Wear a plain dress or a sari or a western wear, and this cape is going to change the whole look. So guys, if you haven't followed us on our Instagram page, please follow us there for all the latest update related to Style Port. So now let's get into the price chart. So during this inaugural offer, we are offering such a reasonable price, guys, for all the fresh stock at unbelievable prices, top brands. So all the tops will be at rupees 250, knee length dresses at 400, maxi dresses at 550, shrugs, gowns, shrugs, skirts, plazos at 350, jeans 500, denim jackets only at 400, denim shorts at 200, guys. So guys, these prices will be available at all of our 3 stores, Amirpet, Sarat City Mall and Madhapur. One more thing I would like to tell you that the range, the things will be different at different stores. It is worth coming and visiting all the 3 stores. Offer is valid from 1st of July, that is our opening day, Thursday. Please save the date, and it will be valid till 18th. So guys, it will be on first come first serve basis. Whatever things are available that I'm showing in the video will be available there from the first day. If it sells out, it won't be available again. There will be something else. So stock may vary from one store to another, but each and every store has got all the latest collection. Do visit. It's worth visiting the store. Online services are not available for this inaugural offer. We are extremely sorry for that. So guys, as I have shown you all the collection, I cannot show you each and every piece, but it's a massive collection here. If you want to grab all these pieces in the inaugural offer, please save the date. It's from 1st to 18th July. Don't miss out on this. This is our new store. Do visit. It's totally worth it. Thank you. See you all. Bye.